Hi everybody, I bet you already know what's coming from underneath. Yep, it's another recipe. It's the tangy veggie wrap, this time quesadilla style. It's one of our readers' favorites and it's definitely because of the beautifully different style of it. As mentioned, it's tangy and it's all about the dressing, I tell you. So this is how you make the recipe. Okay, so we're going to make 2 servings, which means 2 wraps. I use these here with flax seeds, but feel free whatever kind of wraps you want to use. Then we have here 1/4 of a bell pepper diced. This is a small red onion, also diced into half moons. Then we have here 3 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. They've been roasted for roughly 3 minutes on medium to high heat. You might see a quick video of how I do it just now. Alright, yep. Then we have here 2 small carrots grated. And here's a small handful of spinach. Alright, so these are all your toppings and now let's move on to make the dressing. Okay, for this one here we need 1/3 of a cup of cottage cheese. I'm gonna scoop that in here. It's roughly 100 grams for the metrics out there. Then we have here 2 tablespoons of sour cream, roughly 50 grams. Next in goes 1 thumb of ginger, grated. Will you? There we go. So it's a little more than what I have just left here. Okay. Next we have 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. And now we're gonna add 3 teaspoons of mustard. 1, 2, make this one a bit smaller, 3. So I have more room to make it more tangy if needed. Alright, so that's all for the dressing. And now you just need to stir it properly. Okay, excellent. So this is enough for 2 wraps. Perfect, we arrived to layering our wrap. So let's add half of the mustard dressing. Remember, I'm gonna make this quesadilla style, so I'm happy to spread it all the way to the rims as well. What is it called, rims? Well, to the fair end of the wrap. To the far end of the wrap. Right now, everything's just your choice, but I prefer to add first the spinach. Next we go with the grated carrots. In with the bell pepper. Of course, half of it. Some onion as well. And last but not least, the sunflower seeds here. Season with a good dash of salt and of course a good dash of pepper. Okay, and now we just transfer this to the pan. Alright, see you in a moment. Okay, so in it goes for roughly 5 to 6 minutes. We're gonna leave it on medium heat. The idea is to just heat everything up a little bit so the wrap gets a bit crispy, the dressing gets more flavor, and also the grated carrots and spinach just taste a bit better. To quicken things up a little, you can use a lid, that way the heat stays more in the pan. Okay, it's been roughly 5 minutes. Now, I hope it looks crispy, not too dark on the other side, and the flipping to the quesadilla, well, quesadilla in brackets, works nicely. Alright, wish me luck. And here we go. Yes, that's definitely a success, I'd say. I'm gonna leave this just another 30 seconds like this so it heats up a bit more and then it's ready to serve. And there you have it, the tangy veggie wrap quesadilla style. Enjoy! I almost forgot, but I didn't. How did you like the tangy veggie wrap? Of course I want to know. Did it turn out good for you? Also the dressing, it's quite different, isn't it? Anyway, let us know in the comments below and then sure enough, see you in the next video. Bye!